Hello guys, and hope doing well. I have two radiation gamma and X-ray detector with Muller tube. One is Chinese one and the other one is handmade with Muller tube. I bid these two Muller tubes over eBay, each $2, and it seems working pretty well. You can see I have some radiation source to test this equipment like this. I'm not sure, maybe call this lantern lights or something, but this is very good radiation. You can see the buzzer is buzzing. And also we are able to check with the smoke detector ion chamber like this. But this one, the radiation most of time is alpha, and the material that comes with radiation is the last layer, this one, before the chamber. So this is also very good to test the Muller tube, but I have very high range with safe solution is the Muller tube radiation with flyback or other high voltage generator. Before testing, you should know 100% in most of countries you are not permitted to do this. You are not able to work with radiation and it is not permitted. You should ask from the government and the responsible organization because of this is by law, and you should have the country's rules. In Iran, no problem, we are able to test it, and I'm going to test the Muller tube radiation with new way. You can see my flyback is not too powerful because of this is a low quality flyback, and it is something like 1 centimeter. The arc is generated with IRFZ 260N and also the 555. The frequency is aligned for the 320 kilohertz. Is very good for this. And I'm starting to test the Muller tube with the flyback to shake the gas inside the tube, and with this the other Muller tube with the detector will buzzing. Take a look. Oh, if you connect the Muller tube to the electrodes, you will destroy your Muller tube and the gas inside the tube will gone. So take care that just take a look carefully. Just gently keep it close to the electrodes. Look. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. One more time, be sure that these experiments are allowed your country you're located. Thank you.